everyone. We're going to change the following expressions into an exponential form. This is part 3. Here are basically your rules. This is the power property, product property, quotient property, inverse properties, changing from radical to rational properties. Okay, so basically, we're going to use the quotient property here and write a single base. Our base is 10, and we're just going to take our m. This is your m, and this would be your n. So we're going to write negative 5x minus your n, which is negative x plus 1. Now we're going to clean that up and simplify. So that's going to be 2 negatives make a positive, so it would be plus x. And then negative times a positive is going to be minus 1. So our answer is going to be, if you want to, you can put the x first. That would be x minus 6. Some of you might have written 10 to the negative x. Whoops. Negative, yeah, I did it right. Sorry. Negative 6 plus x. That's fine. Either way, those are both correct answers. Okay, in this one, we're going to use the product property. This is your m and n. We're just going to add these exponents together, write it as a single base. So negative 6x minus x minus 9, because you're just combining those. That gives you 2 to the negative 7x minus 9. And that's it for that. And the next one is your product property, your power property, sorry. And this is your m, this is your n, so you're going to multiply them. So it's 6 to the negative 2x times 5x minus 1. So just distribute here. So you get 6 to negative 10x plus 2, that's squared, sorry, plus 2x. And if you want, you can factor out negative 2x. When you do that, you'll get 5x minus 1. And think about it, if you distribute back, you'll get this back. Alright, so when you factor out a negative, you've got to change that sign. Okay, this one is your quotient property. This is your m and your n, and we're going to subtract and write 3 as my base. So it's going to be 6x minus 5. That's your m minus your n, which is negative 2x minus 7. So I'm going to simplify this and write 3 to the 6x minus 5 and distribute. This is like multiplying by negative 1. So it'll be plus 2x plus 7. And collect like terms, 8x plus 2. And on this one, you could also factor out a 2. That would be 4x plus 1. You need to keep practicing your factoring skills. All right. This one is the same thing. You're going to combine. This is your m, 3x plus 4. And you're going to add that. So you just kind of copy that down when you're adding. Clean up your exponent here. So that's negative 10x. And 4 minus 6 is negative 2. We can factor out a negative 2. And that would give us 5x plus 1. Again, if you want to check, you can always distribute back and make sure it matches that. And our last one is here. This one's pretty easy. It's just your your power property. So I'm going to go ahead and write the 2x first times 3x minus 5. And you just distribute here. You get 5 to the 6x squared minus 10x. I can factor out a 2x, and that would give you 3x minus 5. And that's it. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.